It's 3 o'clock in the early morning and we're in the hospital for a stroke case. Our team is in cath lab preparing for a stroke patient. The patient became suddenly unconscious at around 11 o'clock at night and reached our hospital at 1:30 a.m. The patient was comatose, so he was intubated and CT angio with DWIF brain was performed. The CT angiogram is showing a thrombus in the distal basilar artery and diffusion weighted image showing infarct in inferior cerebellum right side, bilateral superior cerebellum, patchy infarct in pons. You can see midbrain, pons, all patchy infarcts. So we can see one more thing, ground glass opacities in bilateral visualized upper lungs, and there is a consolidation in left lung upper lobe. And the Western literature shows COVID to be a risk factor for ischemic stroke, and this patient might be having the corona infection. Femoral approach and aid French sheath. The aspiration catheter. The left vertebral artery angiogram showing thrombus in the distal basilar artery. Taking our aspiration catheter up to the thrombus over 27 microcatheter. Check angiogram showing opening of the basilar artery and its branches. Good morning. So here comes the important message. We are going through this COVID pandemic and it's far from over. More than 100 doctors died from this while performing their duties. So can I make a small request to all of you? All should use face mask and that is a must. You should maintain social distancing while going out of your house and don't spit in public place. You should do frequent hand washing, and this time you should maintain a healthy lifestyle with balanced diet and exercise. As you know, it has got positive effect on your immunity. And regarding your mental health, you should be positive. Don't develop nihilism and try to avoid depressing thoughts, because this positive vibes has positive effect on your body. I can assure you, together we can and we will overcome this disaster. Thank you all for watching.